Ready, go. Go.
I'm not paying attention. Go for it.
Martha's not looking. We can do it.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's Mr. Nasty time.
Otro shot.
Otro
shot, Jose.
Otro shot. How does that the TikTok thing? Have you seen it? Yo me voy a dar un shot, pero tú no puedes tomar. Ah, huevo que sí. Have you seen it? ¿Qué estás haciendo?
Me voy a dar un shot.
¿Un qué?
Un shot.
No puedes tomar alcohol.
A huevo que sí.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing another cooking video. And we are going to do a chicken chipotle pasta with cheese. I don't have a name for it yet. Chicken chipotle cheese pasta. Something like that. Pretty easy to make, inexpensive. So if you want to learn how to do this dish, then keep watching. Okay, so in today's video, you're going to be needing 4 tomatoes, 1 onion. You're not going to use the whole thing, but you're going to use maybe half of it. 3 garlic cloves, cream cheese, chipotle, salt, pepper, garlic salt, consome, crema, pasta, bacon, and you're gonna need pechuga de pollo. I already cut mine and I just need to rinse it, but it's already cut into little trocitos. Little tiny pieces. And I have here 3 pechugas. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting up the bacon. My knives, to be completely honest, they really suck. So I just got some scissors and I washed the scissors, so don't come at me for that. I washed the scissors and I'm just cutting up the bacon, and that's just easier. Cause my knives suck. I need new knives.
So you're using the whole packet?
Yeah. On this pan I have my 4 tomatoes, they're boiling, and here I have water for my pasta. Before I add the pasta, I'm gonna put salt. So
Right
I have that.
Right now it's boiling.
Right now I covered it so it can boil quicker. Here the pan is hot. I haven't put any oil. Don't put any oil because the bacon has oil, so you don't need any oil. We're throwing 1 pack of bacon here. So the bacon is still cooking. My tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And then I'm going to let them cool down a little bit before I put them into the blender. You don't want to put anything that's extremely hot to the blender because that would literally mess up your blender.
No?
The bacon is ready already. So I'm just taking it out and putting it on a plate with paper towels so it can soak up the oil. I turned off the pan. My water is already boiling for the pasta, so can you add some salt in there? So we're just gonna add salt to the water.
This type of salt?
Yeah. A lot. There, that's enough. And then we're gonna pour our box of pasta into the water. The oil that the bacon left, we're gonna use that same oil to fry our chicken. So I'm just gonna put in our 3 pechugas. And we're gonna fry them just a little bit. I'm gonna add my 3 garlics here to my blender. I'm going to add my tomato. Half of the onion. And a little bit of water. that. And this is what the chipotle looks like. You can add 2 chiles if you guys don't like a lot of chile, but we in this house eat a lot of chile. So I'm gonna just add the whole thing. I'm gonna add some crema here too. Like that much, maybe like a cup and a half of crema. Half of the vaso. That's what you do. And then we're gonna put this whole thing of cream cheese. We're gonna put this whole thing of cream cheese. And this cream cheese and the crema it's gonna die down the spiciness. So it's not gonna be that spicy. If you don't add crema or the cream cheese, it's obviously gonna be a little bit more spicy, but with this, it'll chill down the spiciness. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of more water. Like that. So this is what your crema should look like, your sauce. So I'm gonna actually leave this to the side. Al rato I'm gonna put the seasoning, but right now it's time to put the seasoning in the chicken, so I'm gonna leave this to the side. I have to come back to it because I need to add more seasonings to here, but we need to finish this chicken. So to the chicken you're gonna add garlic salt, like maybe like a tablespoon. Pepper. And salt. It's been about maybe 5 minutes since the pasta has been boiling, so I'm gonna leave it for another maybe 7 to 10 minutes and then it'll be ready. This is a small cuchara, so I'm probably gonna add just one Consome, like this much. And we're gonna see what that tastes like, and I'm gonna blend it. Oops. You're still recording, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna add one more. I don't measure my things, guys. Like, I just go with the flow. Like, I really don't measure nothing. But I will if you guys let me know. Okay, I'm gonna taste it again. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now that I like my seasoning, it's well blended, I'm gonna put some oil on here, like this much, and I'm going to put our salt. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Our pasta is almost done. Our chicken is almost done. I'm gonna cover this one on low heat. So what I did right now is I removed most of all the water from it, and I'm just gonna let it finish cooking without water. The reason why I'm doing this, I want the chicken to get a little crispy. So I already tried it and it's already soft, so the chicken's already fully cooked. I just want to now get the chicken a little crispy, get it a little burnt. Our pasta's already done, so I'm gonna drain the pasta. Alright guys, so it's been about maybe like what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes that I removed the water from here. And you see how it's getting like a little crispy. It has some color to it. That's the way I want it. So I'm gonna let it keep browning up. I drained already the pasta, and on the same pan I'm going to add the pasta back in. I forgot to tell you that you're gonna need some butter. I'm using this one, but you can use whatever you have. And you need about like this much. I'm gonna add the whole sauce to the pasta. You want everything. All the sauce. Good stuff, guys. I also forgot to mention that you're gonna need cheese. And you're gonna need a lot of it. So this is a bag that I had already opened. So now I'm going to add, screw it, we're just gonna do everything. And we're gonna keep stirring it until the cheese melts. We like a lot of cheese in this house, so we might need a little bit more, but we're gonna add it to here little by little so it can start melting. Look at this, guys. Bomb. Okay. So this is how your chicken should look like. Nice and crispy. So now we're gonna add it to our pasta. Yes. Look at this. You like this one? Okay. And now we're going to add our bacon. Pass me the bacon. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. We're gonna add our bacon in here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of more cheese.
Can you see me? Oh yeah. If it doesn't do this, I don't want it.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have another bag of mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna add more because we like cheese. And you know what? We're not in a diet right now. Who the hell's in a diet right now? We're quarantined now. We're cooking.
Yahweh.
Yahweh.
Yahweh, no. Por favor, güey.
Oh, shit. Inge su madre. ¿Cuál dieta? Look at this. This is bomb. Thank me later, guys. Thank me later. You guys are gonna love this. Bomb AF. This. Really? Seriously? Don't know. Okay, there. Are we recording? Yeah, huh?
Yeah, but see, what do you think?
So, this is the try test, guys.
The chicken though. The bacon. I like to smell my food. I try it.
It's bomb.
The bacon's very overwhelming.
How do you like it, Martha? It's good?
Always.
It's fire, guys.
Fire.
The bacon makes all the flavor. Then the chicken's a plus.
The cheese, everything.
It's all plus. It's all good. Trust me, you're gonna like this. You never tried nothing like this.
And it's not even that spicy. We put the whole thing. It's not even spicy at all.
Not even your mom had cooked something like this. Trust me. Ni tu mamá.
This is really good, guys. You compare this up with like broccoli or even some asparagus, some steamed asparagus. But this is fire, guys. So good.
Trust me, you're gonna want more. Your man's gonna tell you to put some for lunch and shit.
He's gonna be eating that booty tonight.
You're going to eat the booty tonight. Eh.
I heard that.
This is so good. Mmm. Look at that.
Fire, the spiciness. You like spicy food?
Oh shit.
Mm.
I got it. Damn.
Right.
So good. Alright guys, well, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, share, like, and subscribe. And if you like these kinds of videos, let me know what you guys want to see next. I stay cooking. I cook all the time. So let us know if you guys enjoy these videos. It's really an expensive meal. And I'm pretty sure you have all of this already in your pantry. So if you do cook it, tag me. I would love to see it. Next time I'll be a little bit more exact on my measurements because I know I don't measure my stuff, so next time if I do a cooking video I'll be more exact on my measurements. But give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. You're all dirty.
She did.
So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Peace.